Hello, this is get question, get statistics question 2022, question number 21, which says that let n be a sequence of positive real numbers satisfying the equation 8 by a n plus 1 equal to 7 by a n plus a n square by 343 for n greater than equal to 1 with a1 equal to 3, a n less than 7 for all n greater than equals to 2. Consider the following statements. Number 1 says a n is monotonically increasing. Number 2 says a n converges to a value in the interval 3 to 7. Which of the following is or are true? So first we look check if it is monotonically increasing or decreasing. So what we have, 8 by a n plus 1 equal to 7 by a n plus a n square minus 343. So now what we do, I subtract 8 by a n from both the sides. So what I get is this. So then what I get in the left hand side, I get 8 by n plus 1 times n into n by n minus n plus 1, and on the right hand side I get n by 343, n squared by 343 minus 1 by an. So now we multiply the equation both the side by minus 1, then I get an minus an plus 1 minus an times 8 by an plus 1 times an, and on the right hand side what I get, 1 by an minus an squared by 343. Now if you work out on the right hand side you get 343 times an, and on the numerator 343 minus an cube. Now you check that an is given to be less than 7. So that means n cube is less than 7 cube, which is 343, and if you take the minus, then n cube is greater than minus n cube is greater than minus 343. So this is greater than or equal to 343 minus 343 by 343 times n, which is 0. So what I get, so 8 times n plus 1 minus n by n plus 1 into n is greater than or equal to 0. Now if you take this constant on the right, this thing on the right hand side, you get n plus 1 minus n. This is greater than or equal to 0. So n plus 1 is greater than or equal to n for all n in n. Hence the sequence is increasing. Now it is increasing sequence bounded above by 7, so it is convergent. And why does it converge? You see that an is given to be greater than 3, a1, and it is increasing, and an, this is given to be bounded above by 7. So the limit has to be within this range. So the limit n belongs to 3, 7. So let us look at the options. It says option 1 A says 1 only, B says 2 only, C says both 1 and 2, and D says neither 1 nor 2. So it is option C, both 1 and 2 are true. So this both 1 and 2 are true. So option C is correct.